Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use stopwatch or timer in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start a video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on clock app. If you want to use stopwatch, so click on stopwatch. Now here click on start. You will also use add laps from here. Click on stop. If you want to use timer, so click on timer. You will set the timer. Click on start. After the finishing timer, alarm clock is play. So that's how you can use stopwatch or timer in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.